Hello, welcome. Today we are going to discuss this app I have created. It's the AS by I use the Amazon Sustainable Development integration into this app. It is the Farm Food Helper app. So basically we can find the best country to grow your farm in Africa easy. Get the soil info and water source info easily. So you can get the this website is a resource where users can sign up for accurate soil readings such as dry chemistry, wet chemistry, and see where the water sources are. This is vital for farmers as they can choose strategically where to grow their food and deliver the food uh, to citizens in African countries. So we can see the minerals in the country's soil also, and we can check the water levels on the map, see dry chemistry, spectra readings on charts, maps, and search through the database for soil readings, minerals, depth, locations, and more. And in this app, you can save your favorite data so you can view it later easily. Also, another notable feature we will include is a history where users have searched before, and the admin can look at that history and understand where users are most searching the data, more searching what data for. So basically, in this process, I developed the app using Python, Django. I use the CSV to dictionary code, and in the front end, I use Django, HTML, CSS, and the back end, I use Django database, TQDM notebook, and I use the CSV file in Spectra readings and the ASDI as the database. Challenges: learning Django, learning Python, converting CSV data to dictionary, templating in Django, converting chart to image, and displaying the map. So this things really took a long time for me, and I'm busy developing other apps also. So I wasn't able to make it 100%, but I will show you the demo and what I've done so far. So the app is still in development, but here's the MVP and some of the. So first we need to get it from the repo. After getting cloning it from the repo, go into your folder. Okay, so once you're inside the folder where you download the repo, type in Python manage I run server. Okay, so then let's see the development server. Control click. Okay, so first we have our spectra readings here on the top left graph. If you click on it, it will enlarge and you can see in more detail the wavelengths and the absorbance of the soil, the spectra readings of that. And here we have our numbers, wavelengths, absorbance. If we close this and see our map, how to find the data readings. So suppose you want to select something in Somalia. So you will click on this and it gives you a label, something data set to search for. So you would copy this, select it and copy it, hit Control F, paste it, and will take you to that data in the table. So you can see it is, this is the data, and in this table we have various data like SSN public longitude, location, cluster plot, depth, soil material, scientist who performed that reading, and the site, country, region, cultivated GID. So this is basically what I've done so far, but we'll implement more things in the future. Please take a note of that. Okay, so that was the demo, but here's some directions for future development that we plan to implement. Donate button for each country so they can donate through PayPal or anything, or even donate to the United Nations. Uh, and for relief fund uh, help, and we can implement a water table map chart to see water depth, how much water, where it is, and so we can transport that water to the farm easily, and you can do strategic farm placement and wet chemistry readings. We can see soil soil readings of wet chemistry, map data, etc. Adding data to MySQL database or Mongo database instead of using CSV. We can put this data, CSV data, into the database. We didn't have time to do that, but the best thing to do that is to put in the MongoDB database so that we can search through it and traverse that data and display it in easier ways. And we will implement user authentication and social media authentication so we can share our locations, farm location, potential farm locations with other uh, users. Implement a front end framework such as Daisy UI. We can use a front end framework, CSS framework, to make a beautiful uh, looking app, web app. And we should also include mobile and cell phone responsive and mobile ready design. We can deploy the project to AWS EC2 or and deploy the repository to ECR. Add database Opus Spectra files to large file storage repo also. We want to include the Spectra files into the repository. So basically you can download this repo right now at this link here, and this is my GitHub repo. Okay, so thank you. That's all we have today. You can uh, this is my hackathon entry, and for the ASDI hackathon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a nice day.